Hello you guys, and welcome to the channel. If you're new, don't be.
I'm Whitney. Keep it cute, get the boo.
Your girl, as whack as she is in all her glory, was in the New York Times. What up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, don't be. Go ahead and click that subscribe button to be a part of the Witness gang, to join the Witness Nation. Now let's get into this, shall we? What up, Witness Nation? Now you know we're super sleuths over here. We all about the facts, evidence over emotions. Let's see what we've discovered. All right, you guys, welcome back. Yes, literally welcome back, okay? Yeah. Child, this is a never-ending saga, just as well as his idol and role model, somebody that TREY SONGZ said he looks up to, the R Smelly himself, okay? Well, it looks like that he is following down his tracks, okay? Another accuser has came out to surface. Here in Complex reported TREY SONGZ accused of rape in new 20 million sexual assault lawsuit, okay? Now, it goes on to say, warning, this article contains descriptions of alleged sexual assault. TREY SONGZ is being accused of raping a woman at his home in a new 20 million sexual assault case that was filed against him. The woman claims that she had a consensual relationship with the singer that was sexual, but that changed on March 24th of 2016 when he allegedly became a savage rapist. She said in the lawsuit, SONGZ is currently dealing with two other separate sexual assault cases. A representative for the artist denied the allegations to TMZ earlier today. The attorney who drafted this suit was credibly accused of trying to pay a woman to falsely accuse TREY. The rep said in a revised statement hours later, that same attorney has filed this suit on behalf of an anonymous client. It isn't hard to see what's happening here, and it is a shame for genuine victims of sexual assault. Now, SONGZ is being sued by a Jane Doe who claims that she went to one of the artist's house parties in 2016. She alleges she was invited upstairs and then raped by SONGZ after she told him she did not want to have anal sex. The woman alleges SONGZ removed her pants when they got to the room, held her down, and forcefully inserted his penis into her anus. Ugh. She also said that she screamed throughout the alleged ordeal and begged for him to stop. The woman also alleges that she went to the hospital and was too frightened to name the artist after she was examined. She said the examination found that there was severe anal tearing that could require surgery. Earlier today, Ariel Mitchell, the lawyer for Jahara Jeffries, the woman accusing the singer of assaulting her while out on New Year's Eve in 2017 at 11 nightclub, in another case, denied SONGZ legal team's allegations that she was tampering with the case by trying to bribe witnesses. This is nothing more than bullying and an attempt to silence counsel and the many victims who have been assaulted by defendant SONGZ and will be vigorously defended in court. Mitchell told TMZ, I will further be exonerated as I was when this allegation was previously made by defendant SONGZ's prior attorney. All three cases are still ongoing. Now, in this article, and like any kind of post article, I always look at the comments. and a tan 8176 4 hours ago posted, I remember that TREY SONGZ said that he was a huge R.KELLY fan growing up. So much so that he took his whole style of music from Kells. I read about the first rape allegation back in November. Now other girls have come to light saying the same. Now there are bribing allegations. I think TREY wanted to be R.KELLY a little too much. Yikes. So the thing is that in regards to this whole allegation, we won't know until further investigation is done. Gosh, it's unfortunate for all these victims, especially when they try to make it seem as if, oh gosh, this is not happening. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're trying to, it's just the whole attempt to make these alleged victims seem as though they're bonkers. Now, you guys know we saw this in the likes of the R.KELLY trial. It's still happening. You know what I'm saying? And I am so grateful to hear that this Chicago case coming is several Jane Does that nobody can mess with, and I'm appreciative because it's kind of like they're not blasting themselves all on social media. They haven't been doing interviews and things of that nature, although we know for sure possible 2 people that are involved in this case, one being Rashonda Landfair, which is the young lady from the alleged I think it was back in 2008 when he got that trial and got acquitted from that urination video that transpired. And then we know that Portia is actually one of them. She states it in her book, and according to the transcripts reading, it compares to what she was stating happened to her. I think she's like Jane Doe number 14 or something like that. I think she's just more so as a witness of the allegations, but not for nothing. I told you guys, it's just going to be a snowball effect, if you will. More and more victims are going to come out with their stories, and you'll constantly see them trying to be silenced, you know what I'm saying? But the thing is that what I do appreciate is this particular victim went to the hospital. Unfortunately did not disclose the person's name, but she has receipts as to, consistency with after the situation, after the assault, she went to the hospital, okay? And then I will guarantee you that probably she has pictures or images or something to corroborate where she was that night, and other people seeing her at this party at his home or whatever the case may be, and on swords, But as I stated, and as this article stated, these are all allegations until he is proven guilty in the court of law. But what do y'all think about this? This is yet another one. This is the 3rd allegation that has surfaced for TREY SONGZ, and I've been following all of his allegations because, again, baby, I do not play when it comes to sexual assault at all. I think it's disgusting. I think it's very cowardly for men, women to take stuff that is not theirs. You don't own anybody, you know what I'm saying? And I just hate that. I hate the aggression of it all. I hate the disrespect. And I just hate how they're trying to smear even the attorneys as being individuals that they're not, and I hope she does get exonerated with these allegations. I did tell you guys that maybe this particular witness was corroborating with TREY SONGZ. I did say that, it sounded like that would be something that was going on. Or, what this could very be is just a smear campaign, trying to make the attorney look a certain way. Once you put a story out there, it's kind of hard to get it pulled back. But, with further investigation, hopefully she'll be exonerated, and hopefully these victims, or alleged victims, if you will be able to have some form of justice, you know what I'm saying? But I digress, you guys. It's your turn. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. How do you feel about all of these allegations coming out, and why now? And or really, from what I heard, it's been allegations that have been surfacing, and they just kind of been kind of silenced. I watched one particular video on YouTube, and it was just like, is it because he's handsome, you know, attractive? We just been kind of overlooking a lot of things.
There's literally no news coverage about it at all. Now, that's fairly disturbing, and let's just be honest here. If TREY SONGZ wasn't a good-looking guy, people would hold him accountable. But I guess since TREY SONGZ is so attractive, people feel as though, oh, well, hell, she probably wanted it. Or hell, like, TREY SONGZ is that guy. I don't want him to do it to me, too. No, it's disturbing. And the fact that TREY SONGZ has such an inflated ego that he just assumes that a woman's going to sleep with him just because he puts the moves on her and kisses her is
just like August Alsina. It was an allegation out there that he messed up a girl's inside, or her uterus, or what have you. And we laughed it off and was like, oh, he's welling out. No, that's damaging. You know what I'm saying? I think a young lady sued him, if I'm not mistaken, or what have you. But it's time out. You know, people have to respect one's body regardless if they put themselves in a situation or not. You can't take advantage of a situation, period. But like I said, it's your turn. Tell me what you guys think about these allegations. What do you guys feel in regards to this particular alleged victim and what she did after the fact of the alleged assault, as well as what do you think about the comment that, you know, that person left in regards to TREY SONGZ admiring and wanting to follow the career and footsteps, if you will, of the likes of R.KELLY. As we do this series, you know what I'm saying, is TREY SONGZ, you know, the new R.KELLY? I got a lot of slack for that, but here we are with the third allegation. What say you? Keep it cute in the comments so you won't get the boot. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.
I'm Whitney. Keep it cute and get the boot.